Okay, everyone, I'm going to do a quick review about going to your Google site, your digital portfolio, and making a new post and inserting pictures if you need to. So you can see that I am on my Google Sites right now. The way I got to it is to use my waffle right here, went down to Sites, and it took me to this page. You'll notice I have 3 different websites in my Google Sites, so you will only have one. And it will have the title here, so you're going to click on the title. This is my digital portfolio. And when you click on it, it will take you to the home page. You should already have on your home page a paragraph introducing yourself, and you should have a picture of yourself. So the next thing we're going to be doing is creating the first post of our blog. Now, I hope you already created My Learning blog. If you have not done that, then you need to do it by going up here to Create Page. And all you do is you click on Create Page. You'll name this My Learning blog. And the template you have to choose is announcements. Announcements will make it so that you're posting regular posts, sort of like in blog or magazine style, right? And then you click on Create, and it will make that new page for you. All right, so I'm going to go back, and because I've already created mine, I'm going to go to My Learning blog right here. And when I get to here, you'll notice it has my latest post on the top and previous posts below it. That's how you want it to be formatted. So the latest is always on the top. So if I go to My Learning blog, and let's say I want to add a new post, this is what you'll see. You're just going to click here on New Post. So I click on New Post, and there it goes. And it goes to a page that looks like this, Untitled Post. So this is where you can actually do your typing. So you're going to give it a new title. I called mine Reflections on Marking Period 1. You can use that title if you want, or you can come up with something else. And then you're going to, in this box, go ahead and start typing. Blah, 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 blah. All right? You can do it in block format, which means that you're going to go ahead and start right at the margin. And you are going to go ahead and to end the paragraph, and then you're going to enter twice so that you can start the new paragraph. That's what block indenting looks like. So there's a space between paragraphs, and the paragraph themselves are single spaced. If you want to put a picture in, put the cursor where you want the picture, and then go to Insert Image, and this is where you find your image. So you have to upload the image first. So you go to Upload, and then it will take you, if you're on a Chromebook, it'll take you straight to your Google Drive. If you're on a computer, it will take you to your desktop or wherever the last place you were. So if I go to Pictures here and I choose, let's say I want to choose an animation. I'm going to choose something goofy. Let's get, this guy, he's putting an 8th grader in a locker. Isn't that cute? So we're going to go ahead and do that. Give it a minute to upload. And once it's there, I choose it, and then I click OK. And there I go. It's in. Now, I can format it by making it small, medium, or large. And I can make it go to the left margin. I can make it go to the right margin, or I could center it in the middle of the page. I can also make the text wrap around it. This is what I usually do. So I like the small version, and then I go text wrap, which means that it will be, the text will be on the side of the image, right? Like that. Oops, I want to go like that. So it's so my picture's on the left and my text is wrapped, which means it's going to be wrapped around the picture. So then you don't have any blank space there. So that's how I like to do it. And if you don't like it, decide to change your mind, you can go ahead and remove it. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. And then you have to make sure you click Save up here, and then it will save your new post, and you are ready to go. Make sure that you proofread it carefully and that you have all the content that's required in this assignment. And so the other thing that you need to do is, I'm going to cancel this. The other thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and add your revised Flowers for Algernon essay to My Writing page. You should have a page called My Writing already. If you don't, you need to make one, which means you go to Create Page up here once again. This time, though, when you create your page, you're not going to use announcements. You're going to use the file cabinet. So then you'd go ahead and hit Create here. I've already done it, so I have mine here. When you go to this page, you can add a file. That's what I'd like you to do. Or you can add from Drive. If you're on a Chromebook and you're going straight from your Drive, you can do that. So I can click on Add from Drive, and I can go ahead and find my my essay in here. Let's say that I wanted to find Flowers for Algernon essay. And then let's say that it's this one right here. I go ahead and select it, and I will add, and then it will add. Right? I'm not going to do that because I think this is actually a student essay. And it will add it here, right, with the title. And then once you get it in there, you can click this, and you can write your explanation in there. All right. This will be there automatically. It'll say that you uploaded it and where you uploaded it. So that's basically how to do it. It's pretty simple. Those are the things you need to do by Friday for the end of the marking period. Okay.